our machine, the first step, you need to install the holder on the machine, then put the handle on the holder. Please pay attention. You need to put the handle very well on the holder. Then I will show you how to install the connector on the back of the machine. You see, you must install the connector on the back of the machine like this, okay? When you put the handle on the socket, you can turn the switch like this way. Okay? It insert to the socket very tightly. You can test it by your hand like this. Okay?